Can you guess what today is? You don't know? Oh no. Let me remind you. It's review time! It's time to review the words that we learned over the past few days. Are you ready? Sounds great. Let's read. Hi, I'm Cleo, and welcome to Reading Bros. Today's review are for the letters O and I. We do lesson reviews to make sure that we have a good understanding before moving forward to the next lesson. There is no pressure. We don't want you to guess, and we want you to feel confident. Overall, we just want to make sure that you're ready to move on to the next lesson. Over the past few lessons, we've explored the words with the letters O and I. Today, we are going to review the words that pair with those letters. Are you ready to review? Okay, let's read. Now, before we begin, let's put our learning caps on. And let's say our Reading Bros pledge. Repeat after me. Okay. I am smart. I can't hear you. Let's say it again. I am smart. I can read. I can do anything I put my mind to. Alright, great! Let's try it one more time. I am smart. I can read. I can do anything I put my mind to. I feel the learning power. Do you feel the learning power? Okay, we're ready to start the lesson. Okay. Let's start with some paired sounds for I. I-T, it. I-L-L, ill. I-B, ib. I-G, ig. Got it? Let's repeat. I-T, it. I-L-L, ill. I-B, ib. I-G, ig. Okay, let's move on to O. O-T, ot. O-P, op. O-B, ob. O-G, og. Got it? Let's repeat one more time. O-T, ot. O-P, op. O-B, ob. O-G, og. Are you ready to review some words? Okay, let's go. Alright, let's begin. You got it? Hot. Whew. It's hot. Another one right. Good job. Miss. And remember, no guessing. Yep, you got it once again. Mop. You see a mop. Mop. Next word. Nip. Good job. Bob. Good job. Just bob and weave. Rib. Rib. We all have ribs. Dot. Dot. Great job. Sip. Sip. Another good job. Sob. Sob. This is what sobbing is. Okay, next one. Pig. Pig. Aren't pigs so cute? Got. Got. Good job. Try not to guess on this one. Big. Big. Great job. Moss. Moss. Ugh, moss is gross. Bit. Bit. Ah, good job. Boss. Boss. You're a real boss, you know. Try this word. Sit. Sit. Go ahead. Sit down for a second. And then please stand back up. Tom. Tom. That's a nice name. Hill. Hill. Don't you just love the hills? Pop. Pop. I love me some popcorn. Mill. Mill. That's a good one. Good job. My favorite animal, by the way, dog. Good job. Fit. Remember to stay fit. Yep, you got it. Bot. Bot. Like a robot. Beep, beep. I'm not a robot. Oh well. Yep, once again, you got it. Hit. Good job. Pot. Pot. Good job. Try not to guess on this one. Rip. You got it. Rip open. Yep. You got it. Knot. Yep. You got it once again. Hip. It's all in the hips. Yeah? Great job. I need one of these. A job. Job. You got it once again. Win. Because all we do is win. Win no matter what. Yep. Fog. You gotta be careful in fog because you can't see. Bin. Be sure to throw your trash in the trash bin whenever you're finished with it. Wow, you got it again. Good job. Dog. Just testing you. Yep, you got it. Did. Now, let's see if you can get this next word. Wow. Okay. Okay, you're pretty good. Doll. Doll. Correctamundo. You got it right. That is lid. Lid. Yep. Once more, you got it again. Knot. Yep. Zip. Zip. Great job. Lot. Lot. Hip. You got it again. Be sure to dance with your hips. Yep, hog. Just like a pig, but it's a hog. Yep, dip. Just, does anybody have dip for some chips, please? That'd be amazing. Log. Log. Great job. Yeah, you got it again. Dig. And try not to guess on this one. Yep, top. You got it. Once again, you succeed. Big. Wow, you are amazing! You did great! Hey, you did a great job today. I had so much fun with you guys today. And remember, you are smart, you can read, and you can do anything you put your mind to. See you next time. Okay. A is for apple. Apple. B is for bear. Bear. Thank you guys for watching the video, and be sure to subscribe so that way you stay updated on our videos. Bye guys.